If you've been running your Toyota Tacoma through trails, mud, or just want that beefier stance, you know the stock clearance can be a bit underwhelming. That's where a good lift kit comes in. It's not just about looks. More clearance means bigger tires, better off-road capability, and fewer ouch moments hitting rocks. Today, we're checking out some of the best lift kits for the Tacoma, from budget-friendly to pro-level setups. And hey, all the links to these kits are in the description below, so you can snag one for yourself. The Torch Kit is a solid all-in-one package for serious Tacoma owners, fitting 2005 to 2023 six-lug models. You're getting 3-inch front lift strut spacers, a 2-inch rear tapered block, extended shocks, and even a sway bar relocation kit. Installation is bolt-on, so the weekend wrench turner can handle it, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. It's perfect if you want a ready-to-roll upgrade that balances height, performance, and reliability. The MZS kit keeps it straightforward, 3 inches up front, 2 inches in the back, leveling your truck for a cleaner, more aggressive look. CNC machined billet aluminum parts mean it's strong and rust-resistant. Installation is quick, about 2 hours, and you won't need specialty tools. It gives you better stance and tire clearance without breaking the bank. Just remember to get an alignment afterward to keep things riding smooth. Rough Country's 3.5-inch bolt-on kit is for those who want more than just a cosmetic boost. You're getting premium N 3-coil spring struts up front and N 3 shocks in the rear for a ride that's just as smooth off-road as it is on pavement. No spacers needed here. It's all built into the strut design. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty and delivers top-tier clearance and style in one go. Richeer's lift kit combines a 3-inch front lift with a 2-inch rear lift using 6061-T6 aluminum forged alloy for max durability. Precision machining ensures everything fits perfectly, and you won't need to cut, drill, or disassemble the struts during install. This one's for Tacoma owners who want quick, easy height gains and the ability to run larger wheels without hassle. Bonus, it looks as good as it performs. KSP's kit is built tough with aircraft-grade billet aluminum and a cross-gusset plate design in the rear blocks for extra strength. It lifts 3 inches up front and 2 inches in the back, with longer heavy-duty U-bolts for stability. Powder coating keeps rust away, and the brand offers a solid 12-month replacement guarantee. If you want safety, durability, and a clean lift, this one's a strong contender. So there you have it, 5 killer lift kits for the Toyota Tacoma, each with its own strengths. When you're choosing, think about your main goal: ground clearance, ride quality, ease of install, and durability. And remember, alignment after install is your best friend for keeping that ride smooth. Check the description for product links, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more gear reviews to keep your truck looking sharp and trail ready.